Hi, today I'm going to go over the Zoom feature on the MacBook, and you can go to your accessibility right here, and I'm on Zoom. And so there's different things you can do. Personally, my favorite and the easiest to me is just doing it with my mouse pad. So that means if I wanted to zoom in, I would put my two fingers on my mouse pad, and I just separate them, and it automatically zooms. And I can also drag it back and forth. And if I want to zoom out, I just take my two fingers and bring them in. But there's also these shortcuts you can use. I find them a little more difficult compared to just using my mouse pad like I usually do, but I could see where it helps some people. So you have the toggle zoom, and this little funny key right here, symbol, is the Alt key. So I'll hold the Alt key, Command, and 8. So I'm going to click those keys, and it automatically zoomed in. But if you look at the zoom out keys, it has the Alt, the Command, and the minus/hyphen. And when I say the Alt key, it's also the Option key on the MacBook. So I'm going to hold those two, and then the minus key, and it takes me out. Now, if I want to zoom in where I want to go, I hold the Alt, Command, and the equal sign, and you can click how far you want it to go in, as far as you want. And now the next cool feature, because if you look at this, it kind of looks blurry when you zoom in this far. So to help that, you can smooth the image by holding the Alt/Option key with the Command key, and then the backslash key. And you keep clicking it until it gets to where it's easier for you to read. So you see it's not as blurry anymore, but if I keep clicking it, that looks a little more blurry to me. So now to go out of it, I'll hold the Option, Command, and again the hyphen/subtraction sign, and I go out just like that. And so then this key right here, use scroll gesture with the modify keys to zoom. So I'm on the article, and I hold my Command key, and all I do is scroll up on my mouse pad, and it automatically takes it. Now here you can't really drag it or anything, it just took it to that specific spot. So if I wanted to go out of it again, I hold the Command, Option, and the subtraction. And that is it with the keyboard features. As again, I said, I much rather prefer to read the article. This article, by the way, is just a random Olympic article I found on Scholastic. I just simply take my fingers and maneuver it. I think that is the easiest way. But now that I've worked with these shortcut keys, I now have memorized them, so they help too. I do like the smooth option, how I can smooth the images. So remember, I can scroll in, and then I click Option, Command, backslash. Oh, what am I doing it now? Hold on one second. So if I want the smooth images, I believe I have to hold the Option, Command, and the equal sign to take me in. And now I can smooth the image by holding Option, Command, and backslash. So it makes it less blurry. So as you can see, it's not as blurry. And then that way it's more blurry. Alright, that is it on how to use the Zoom feature on the MacBook. And I actually learned a lot today by figuring out these keys over here. I never knew it could do that. Thank you.